talking about holograms. First, for the materials, you'll need wood, plastic, and screws. You'll need a screwdriver, a black piece of paper, and a device. You can use a phone or tablet. For the procedure, you'll have to separate the wood pieces, fill the sharp edges, and put the wood together. Make it very durable with the screws. Place the black paper on the back of the box. Place the plastic at a 45-degree angle. Select the video of your choice and place it on the top of the box. For the finished product, we have some cars racing here. We have some fishes swimming, and also there's some horses. And so my conclusion, yes, you can do it with anything. You can do it with cardboard and metal, whatever you want. For warning, you should do it with a parent. It might be dangerous, so please search with a parent. Thank you for listening.